to show you how I deep clean my claws since we're talking about how we clean our claws and care for them today. I do this about once every 2 to 3 months. I take our microfiber booster. Our laundry booster is amazing. I use it in every load, and I use it to deep clean my claws and to soak them. We used to have to boil water, put them in boiling water with the detergent, and then clean them that way. Now with the microfiber booster, I can take my claws and deep clean them and get them ready to go. As you can see, I have a pile that are ready for deep cleaning. So my sink I'm filling up with hot water, as hot as we can stand, okay? I take my microfiber booster and a whole scoop. So 1 whole scoop and put it in there, okay? So we're letting that dissolve in there. And you can see it just foaming up. And then I start to put my claws in there. So I use my handy dandy little plastic ladle. So you just stick them in there. You just let them soak. And I'm going to show you how quickly this water changes as it lifts the dirt and the grime out of the claws. And like I said, I only do this once every couple months. I don't do it all the time because you don't need to. But it is good to give them a deep clean, a soak, every once in a while to rejuvenate them, get all that dirt and grime out. So you can already see the water turning. Look at that water already turning this gray color just from the few claws I have that are getting them in it. So what I do is I'm going to continue to just add my claws, my mop pad, my kitchen cloth, all this stuff into here. Bath mat, my bath towel, my hair turban, and I'm just going to let this soak for about a half an hour. And at the end of the half hour, I will show you what this looks like. We'll do another quick video of what this looks like, and then what I do is I rinse them out and I wash them in hot water. So you just wash them normally, but see, you can already see the water is already just turning as the grime is lifting out of my claws. So we will see you again in a little while after we get ready to rinse these out and put them in the wash.